Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of repairing your Thermomix TM5, specifically focusing on the control unit and the broken arm. Before we begin, make sure you have all the necessary tools on hand. You will need 1. A Phillips screwdriver, size number 1. 2. A flathead screwdriver. 3. A pair of pliers. 4. Replacement parts for the control unit and arm. 5. A cleaning cloth. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Begin by removing the base cover of the device. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the bottom. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once you have removed the base cover, gently lift it off. It's important to take your time here to avoid damaging any internal components. Now, you should see the internal wiring and the control unit. If you notice any loose connections, gently reconnect them. Next, locate the control unit. If it appears damaged or unresponsive, it will need to be replaced. Carefully disconnect the wiring harness attached to the control unit. Make sure to note how the wires are connected, as you will need to replicate this when installing the new unit. At this point, if you are unsure about performing these repairs yourself, remember that we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. This can give you peace of mind knowing exactly what the issue is. Now, let's proceed with the replacement. Remove the screws securing the control unit in place using your Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the control unit out of the casing. Take your new control unit and position it where the old one was. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it is tightly fitted to avoid any future issues. Next, we will focus on the broken arm. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry off the arm from its joint. Inspect the joint for any debris or damage. It's a good practice to clean the internal components with a cloth to ensure smooth operation when the new arm is installed. After cleaning, take your new arm and align it with the joint. Press it firmly into place until you hear a click, indicating it's securely attached. If at any point you feel overwhelmed or don't have the tools, remember we also offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your device repaired without any hassle. Plus, with our services, there are no calls and no travel needed on your part. Once the arm is in place, double-check all connections and screws to ensure everything is secure. Now, replace the base cover of your Thermomix, securing it with the screws you set aside earlier. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and power it on. Test the control unit and the arm to ensure everything is functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, allowing you to make informed decisions about your appliance's maintenance. Your Thermomix TM5 is now ready to use again, and with these repairs, you can enjoy its features without interruption. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.